That they cost around $8,000. The new Mac Pro will start at $59.99. And the Pro stand, $9.99. And like the Mac Pro, they'll all be available in the fall.
Hi, I'm Tim Apple. And welcome to Steve Jobs Theater. Yes, Steve Jobs. We remember him. Earlier this year, we announced the new iMac starting at $5,999. Many of you complained about this price, and we heard you, loud and clear. You can now add up to 5 USB-C ports that connect to nothing, our guarantee that the computer will not work in 2 years or less, and, believe it or not, a commemorative U2 cheese grater. That's right, coming to a total of $100,000. After spending hundreds of hours and millions of dollars with our engineers, we finally came up with the greatest computer stand yet. At just $999, this computer stand changes the game. You're welcome. Have you subscribed to us on YouTube?
You're kind of coming out of your shirt there. A little bit right there.
I thought showing the skin would help with subscriptions.